Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is my October monthly plan with me video, and I can't believe I'm back here already getting ready to set up the month of October, which is starting today when this video publishes, October 1st. But I'm planning this video on Sunday, or filming this video I should say, on Sunday, and I can't believe it's gonna be October. But let's go ahead and get started working on this monthly plan with me. So I came across a healthy selection of washi that I had that I was considering. I have like a whole stack here of ones that I was looking at for this video, but I decided to go with kind of a Halloween theme for October. I did fall last month for September, and I'll do something fall for November, so I kind of wanted to do something different this month for October. And as much as I have all of that washi over there, I'm actually really picky about the fall washi that I like, and it's actually been really hard for me to find ones that I like. I usually like ones that have like leaves and stuff like that. You can remember from my last monthly plan with me, there's this one. This is one of my favorites of all time, but it's surprisingly hard to come across washi that is simple like that but still really representative of the season, and so the ones that I have, I think I'm gonna hold off and use those in November instead. Plus I did get all of the special Halloween washi last year in the Simply Gilded pre-sale, and I used it but didn't use it as much as I could, so I'm definitely going to make use of it in this video here. So the first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and white out these parts with this neutral that isn't really neutral, but whatever, this kaleidoscope pattern, and get going from there. So let's do that first. So that's mostly done. I'm gonna flip back really quick just to remember. Yeah, I put it across the top here. And I've got this sticker. It was a $2 Tuesday special from KPL Plans that has like a hand lettered sheet of just different words and headers. So I've got all the months here, and I've just been replacing, because I love the way that they had the handwritten October beneath there, but I just cannot deal with that kaleidoscope, so have to white it out. I'm going to cover up this part here. Okay, so all the kaleidoscope is covered. I'm gonna put the birthdays down. Alright, those are down. And then I'm gonna grab a functional sticker to put my affirmations down. Trying to think of some good ones. I had a pretty rough end to this month, mental health wise. It was just a little tough for me with some different things going on in my life. Work really got to me this month, and my relationship with my father is not great, so that kind of resurfaced a little bit this month as well. And so I'm just trying to make sure that the affirmations I choose speak to the fact that while some days are hard, it doesn't have to be rough every single day, and things will get better. So I think I'm gonna keep it simple and do this one. And then I have another one that I want to choose. And those are going to be the two things that I meditate on this month. Normally I put my monthly blog ideas up here, but I haven't even had time to think about what I want to do with my blog. I haven't done basically anything for the month of September because it's been a whirlwind, so I don't want to write things down here yet when I haven't even done what I said I was going to do for September, so we'll come back to that at a later time. Here's going to be my reading log as usual, and I also did not do so great on that this month in September. September was just hard for me, y'all. I haven't done my memory planning for September yet. There were some really great stuff and things that happened in September, but mental health wise, it was a little bit tough for me. So that is it for the monthly dashboard, and I'm going to move on to the monthly section. And for this, I do have a kit again, and it is from Jax and Pepper again. This is the kit here, so it's got the headers, date covers, a bunch of functional stickers, different holidays and stuff. She offers, I think, 2 varieties of like add-ons, and I chose the finance one, a bunch of different icons here, and then this, I didn't even realize this was in here. This is another monthly for the future, so I can put that off to the side. First thing we'll do is cover up everything here. Okay, I'm going to put this here. So I do like being able to have a look at the future month and the current monthly. So we've got the finance tracker, and I'm not going to do goals because that's where that blog section is going to be. It's a full box. Oh no, it's just Halloween. Okay, never mind. Do I want to do the tedious work of putting down date covers? Let's see. Start with 1, see how it looks. I don't think I'm gonna put them. I think I'm gonna leave it, and so it's a little bit more simple. Anita's daughter's wedding. Anita is a planner friend of mine. Is on the 12th, so I need to be able to put that here. And then we have a really big fundraiser coming up on Friday at work. And so I'll put the full box for that here. Okay, paydays are in. My son's birthday is on the 3rd. And I'm not going to put everybody's birthday because I put that down in the monthly dashboard, but since he's my son, obviously I'm going to put his birthday. I'm going to layer that there. Do I need any of this stuff right now? I don't think so. I think I'm going to put the to-do instead of the goals and use it to mark stuff like start thinking about Christmas shopping and that sort of stuff. And so that is all for now, because last month I had a lot going on in the monthly, but I don't have quite as much this month. I do need to put our meetup down. Actually, I totally forgot we have ticket sales for Let's Flamingo happening this month. I think I have a mental block with that because I'm trying to avoid the work it's going to take to make the ticketing site live. No, I'm just kidding. It's not that big of a deal, but I totally forgot about that. So, and if you're wondering what this is about, I help admin a Facebook group for planner girls, planner people in Florida called Sunshine State Planners, and we have an event coming up in October, and tickets go on sale for that at the end of October. So if you've been to one of our events in the past, you can join our pre-sale on the 18th. You'll get an early access code for that, and then if you have never been to one of our events, the pre-sale, or excuse me, general sale will be on the 25th. Both are going to take place in the evening. We haven't announced a time yet, but it will be in the evening for people who work during the day. If you work in the evening, unfortunately there's not really a way for us to get around that. It really just has to be based on when me and the other admins can be available to troubleshoot if there's issues or handle questions and stuff like that, and that's what works better for us. So that's it for the monthly. And then I did want to go back here and add in, I forgot I pulled one of my Mambi sticker books to put in some Halloween kind of stickers. So where do I want to put that? Okay, so that is the dashboard. I'll let you look at it again, and then this is my monthly section, and I decided to just forego the day covers. They're beautiful, but it's a lot of work, and I kind of like having more simple. It looks a little less busy to me, but yeah, that's it. So if you have any questions about the stickers from here, again, this is a monthly kit from Jax and Pepper, and then these stickers I just added are from a Me and My Big Ideas sticker book that I got a while ago, and then these two stickers are from one of my EC sticker books, and then the washi is from Simply Gilded. So that is all. If you have other questions, you can leave them in the comments, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you are a new person to my channel, please consider subscribing, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you as always for watching. With that, have a great week, and I'll see you back next week for more videos. Bye.